Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to prevent changing color scheme on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. First of all, I am going to show you how to change color scheme. Right click on desktop and click on personalize, and here you will find colors. Click on colors, and this is the current window color, and you can change this color as you wish. In this way you can change all color scheme, and you can change also custom color here. Now I am going to show you how to prevent this color scheme on Windows 11 computer. Go to search. In search type gpedit. Click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, expand administrative template, then expand control panel, then click on personalization. Here you will find the first setting, prevent changing color scheme. Right click on the setting and click on edit. Now it's not configured. Just select enabled and then click on apply and click on OK. Close group policy editor. Now you need to update the changes in group policy. Right click on start menu, click on run. In run type gp update /force. Now click on OK. Updating the policy. This is the easiest way to prevent changing color theme in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.